In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a recurring reminder in a Slack channel. Whether for work updates, project deadlines, or regular team check-ins, having a reminder pop up right in your Slack channel can help keep everyone on the same page. Let's get started. First, you'll want to go to Slack. Make sure you're logged in and have access to the workspace where you desire to set up this reminder. Once there, navigate through your workspace and click on Google. This is part of the integration process to make sure everything aligns smoothly, as Slack often requires Google authentication for many functions. Next, you'll want to click on your account from the list that appears. Ensure you're selecting the correct Google account you plan to integrate with your Slack workspace. This step ensures that the permissions and intents you set up stay linked to the appropriate account, making everything seamless and secure when you're carrying out team tasks. After clicking your account, continue by selecting the prompt that allows you to proceed. At this stage, you're ensuring Slack is authorized properly through Google's systems and that all necessary permissions are acknowledged. It might take a moment, but this linking process is crucial for everything to function correctly. After you've handled the account linking, you need to make sure you're using Slack in your browser. It's a small step, but running Slack in your browser can sometimes offer better functionality for managing these sorts of integrations and commands. It ensures you have the full suite of features available as well as up-to-date version compatibility with your browser's capabilities. With the setup process out of the way, it's time to get down to business. You're going to select the channel you want the reminders to be set in. Browse your list of channels and choose the one that best suits the reminder's task or audience. This might be a team channel or a project-specific group, depending on the content of your reminder. Now comes the important part, actually setting up the reminder. In the message box at the bottom of the Slack interface, you'll enter the command. Type in a simple formula, which is remind followed by the channel name using the hashtag, the message or task at hand, and finally the frequency at which you want this reminder to recur. For instance, if it's a weekly meeting reminder, structure it as remind hash channel name. Time for our weekly meeting, every Monday at 9 a.m. Finally, to activate this reminder, send the message. Simply hit enter and your recurring reminder is now set. This handy little command will ensure your selected channel receives timely prompts, keeping everyone informed and on schedule without hassle. And there you have it, a straightforward way to consistently keep your Slack channels organized, informed, and on top of recurring tasks and events. Until next time, happy Slacking.